We look like messes right now. Like, I look like the wannabe Harley Quinn. we irritating. But anyways, we're dyeing my roots. I'm gonna go full blonde and then we're gonna get rid of the shadow root. I just wanted to show you guys my shirt because I think it's so cute and we haven't worn it. I graduated in 2017, so we only had this shirt for maybe like 4 months and we only wore it once. So it says AP Calculus, my school, and then my year. And then in the back it says AP Calculus, when math starts to drive you crazy. If you get it, like, comment down below. That shit's funny. I've noticed that now sometimes when I text you, I'll be really like laughing like instead of like ha 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 ha, like
Did you see me tippy toe?
Mm-hmm. Look at Chubbs making his debut. Violet. I actually heard this thing where like in the Asian community, like we don't think we all look the same because we can like distinguish like this is Koreans, this is Chinese, but then like when it comes to like different cultures, they can't other people can't tell the difference because they don't see it as much. And so then I was like, huh, that is kind of true. Like David asked me that all the time. When you just said right now about how Chubbs thought it was me, is because Chubbs doesn't see me a lot.
Years
of hanging out and years of knowing each other, so you guys are like, oh, instant, you know, and so you guys can be able to tell.
Then again, I feel like every, what's it called?
Race?
Yeah, every
nationality,
ethnicity
yeah,
has its own like color spectrum. Like like there's like really white Asians and there's really dark Asians. There's really white Mexicans and there's really dark Mexicans. There's really white black people and then there's really dark black people. Like I don't know. I just feel like the only ones that don't have any type of melanin is white people. I mean, it's kind of true though, cause like. You don't see dark white people. I mean, unless they're tanned.
I really want to fix this curtain right here. How it's, what? You see, like that. That was my time. You looked. We're just mixing in the blonde me and the blonde me. Oh, sorry, Violet. Sorry, Violet. Hi. Oh, she's standing on my feet. Hi. Say hi. Okay, or not.
Say no more monkeys jumping on the bed.
No. Dang. Okay. In my last video, I forgot to give measurements, so I had to do it in the description box, and everybody was like, did you not use measurements, or did you just eye it? And I was like, I did both. So, yeah, we just do 1 scoop, and we're gonna eye it.
Bleach is usually just like by consistency. That's good.
It's just the way it looks. You just gotta do it by the way it looks. That's all I can say. It looks so good. Have you ever wanted to just taste it?
No.
Oh, okay.
That's kind of weird.
Oh, okay. Okay, Violet. Hi, baby.
Hi.
Basically, what we're doing is just taking the root, dyeing the root, and letting it process for maybe 20 minutes. Gonna check, and then we're gonna, for the shadow root that I had, the darker part, we're just gonna take a comb, I just dropped it, and just comb it through and so it doesn't have a harsh line, and see if it like blends naturally. Thanks, Chubbs. Thank you. You want to go back to school already, huh?
It's boring.
Yeah, I feel you. Just kidding. I can't say I feel you because I don't go to school.
Yes, you do.
No, not anymore.
Yes, you go to Senia school. You learn from her.
Senior school in my bathroom. I'm the one funding it, honey. I'm the CEO.
You're fired.
I'm fired? How? Who are you to fire me?
The president.
The president? Oh, so you're gonna let Senya lose her job too? Oh, damn.
Senia, I'm sorry to say this, but you get a Z minus.
A Z minus? Damn.
No,
That's
just
kind of rude.
what's on the white
Oh. No, Violet.
It's bleach.
take away the color.
Louise, can you grab her, please?
Come on, ready to go, Daddy.
It's okay. She did a good job.
My Daddy?
What'd she do?
She squished.
She just opened the curtain and was touching the stuff down there. But I said no, and she stopped touching it. We're washing my front. Honestly, I actually thought about going lighter too. So I wash with purple shampoo maybe like once a week. maybe 2 times a week, maybe, depending on how I feel and how it looks. We're gonna do a second round of bleach because it's still too orange. We could go thrift shopping.
We could.
We all like thrift shopping, do we not?
Yes, we do.
Where though? Is there any places open?
You could go to the what was it next to Destiny's Dutch Bros?
St. Vincent de Paul. That's the one I was thinking too. That asked.
We could do that.
But I don't know if it's open.
Who lives with Jennifer and Robbie? Is it just them two?
Them and Basil now. He's a very funny guy, but he tries not to be funny, you know?
Mm-hmm.
And he's just like some
He's
shit.
just serious all the
Yeah,
time.
some shit that he says, he's so stupid that it's fucking funny.
Like what?
There was one time that me and Jennifer like were going at it, like we were arguing in the car. Like I was at the bridge of tears because like she was being stupid, and it was the trip when we went to California, I think, with my parents and all that stuff. Oh, you know that trip. I was in the back seat, Jennifer was in the back seat, Basil was in the middle of us, Robbie was in the front, and David was driving through California. And for some reason, like my parents kept on calling us because we were out, and my parents didn't want to come do like adventurous shit with us, but they kept on calling us like, oh, when are you coming back, like we're bored, like, and then we both were like, then why the fuck did you guys not come with us, you know, like you guys wanted to stay in the hotel, like that's not our fault, you know. Mm-hmm. And we like literally tried to convince you guys to go out, and now all of a sudden you guys are calling us like that you're bored and you don't want to be in the hotel anymore, but we're like an hour, 2 hours away from them. And so we were like, okay, well, like we'll try and hurry, but like there's no promise because we're doing what we're doing like right now. And so then like me and Jennifer started arguing out of nowhere. Like we were yelling in the car like over the music. As soon as like there was a silent moment, Basil out of nowhere, like, and he usually doesn't talk, he'll like just keep to himself. He was like, well damn. And then the whole entire car busted out laughing. We're like, Basil, shut your ass up. Like usually people won't say shit like that in the middle of an argument. It'll just stay quiet. He was just like, well damn. Alright y'all, I totally forgot to film the outro, but this is basically the final result. I'm on day 4 hair and on day 3 of curls. I'm in a blue shirt instead of my gray shirt because I was in room service. I just got home, and then, you know, the mask matches the shirt, you know, we saucy. I'm just kidding. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Bye.